these are the two creeks that come up behind our house. There's one over there, and that ends up eventually going behind Rocky Hill Elementary School. And this one goes up to North Shore, and I'm not really sure where its head is, but they come together right here at this little waterfall, which isn't a waterfall right now because the creek's so high. And the creek just continues on down. That's a trampoline. To give you an idea of the breadth of that creek, that's a trampoline. So that's I don't know, 10 feet across. And it's got some flow. I don't think you can see it from here, but it's got a current to it right now. That would be a scary, scary thing to have a child or an animal in right now. Now, granted, you know, he keeps on going down the road and goes to a viaduct, which right now I'd say is overwhelmed. I can't see it from here, but it keeps on going there, and that's a lot of water. But that's the water that I was trying to prevent from getting into the basement. So that's the quantity that we're dealing with. All right, I'll tell you what. Let's take a moment. Let's take a moment and inspect the work. I should have done a video when I was still muddy and whatnot to stay down. Ooh, I'm not sure I can get up there. Oh no. That's a problem. That guttering. What? You hungry? That pipe is supposed to be up there on that guttering. I may have to go fix this. I wonder if I can do this. Cat, I need you to move. I wonder if I can do this and hold an iPhone at the same time. This could be amusing. 1, 2. Hang on. Move. I'm up. All right. So, here we go. There's the trench. Okay. Ooh, cobwebs. So let's see if this is being a problem. It needs fixing. So, alright, so we come around here, and the water from the gutter goes down to that spot. It continues on. That's all the work I did, so it looks like we're continuing to flow. I don't see any puddles, so I guess that's okay. Over here though, let's see if I can fix this back to the way it was. So what I had done, kind of rigged it. There. I should wire it there. Alright. Alright, now, so now that gutter shoots down to a different trench, which goes away from the house over there. That's the log pile. And then that mud at the end, all that mud that you see right there, I moved from up here. And there, let's see. That's good flow. No puddling. I think we'll be okay. Now for the fun part. Getting back over there without breaking my leg. Neck, leg, whatever. I guess you guys don't need to see this part. but I can't really do anything else about the video right now, so you're going to have to bear with me. And now let's... Ah! Oh! Got caught on that thing. Alright. Rainy day in Knoxville.